The time is 2:50 p.m. Tuesday, August 26, 2021. News headline: Nigeria. Stop intimidating Southeast, South-South. Ohanaeze Pandef tells army. Worried by the militarization of the Southeast and South-South regions and the attendant intimidation by soldiers, President General of Ohanaeze Ndigbo, Professor George Obiozor, and the National Publicity Secretary of Pan-Niger Delta Forum, PANDEF, have called on the Nigerian army to be humane and compassionate in their relationship with commuters and people of the southeast of Nigeria. However, the General Officer Commanding GOC 82 Division of Nigerian Army Enugu, Major General Taoreed Lagbaja, yesterday insisted that the security situation in the southeast Nigeria is worrisome, which he said has placed the burden of effective synergy on the security agencies in the zone to achieve adequate security of lives and properties of residents. In a related development, Ohanaeze Youth Wing attributed the insecurity to the activities of others, including open grazing, which is described as the source of the current security challenges ravaging the country. The group said the migrants from other countries smuggle arms through grazing routes without being checked. This is even as the indigenous people of Biafra IPOB yesterday alleged that the attack on the heavily guarded Nigeria Defense Academy NDA, Kaduna, by the people it described as ragtag Fulani bandits with ease and without resistance was a deliberate ploy by the present government in Nigeria to hand Nigeria over to jihadists, adding that the attack at the NDA Kaduna was an indication that they may be planning to attack the headquarters of the Department of State Services, DSS, where its leader, Nnamdi Kanu, is currently detained, intending to kill him and tell a fabricated story about his death. Ohanaeze urges army to be humane. Obiozor, who made the call Tuesday when the GOC of the 82 Division of Nigerian Army, Major General T.A. Lagbaja, paid him a courtesy visit at the National Secretariat of Ohanaeze Ndigbo Enugu, commended the GOC for the visit to exchange ideas. The President General also appreciated the idea of having constant consultations with the GOC on the security situation in the Southeast Zone and emphasized the need to create an environment to reduce tension and feeling of insecurity in the zone. A statement by Ohanaeze spokesman Alex Ogbonia said that Obiozor used the opportunity to relay the GOC various complaints by commuters plying the roads in Southeast over what they encounter with the various army checkpoints in the region and urged the GOC to look into the complaints. In his remarks, General Lagbaja promised to look into the complaints, including the issue of demanding that commuters come out of their vehicles and raise their hands while crossing the checkpoints. They resolved to be having constant consultations to ensure a cordial relationship between soldiers and the people. No troublemakers in South, PANDEF tells Army. Speaking just today, Ken Robinson, National Publicity Secretary of Pan-Niger Delta Forum, PANDEF, said several things have gone wrong in Nigeria, but they continue to blame the South. It is part of the funny arrangements that we have continued to experience in Nigeria. It is ridiculous and absurd that a group of men went to a military formation Nigerian Defense Academy and killed and kidnapped officers, yet no forest, no community has been invaded. There has been a lot of mass killing in that area of Kaduna where this incident happened, which is a complete embarrassment and disgrace to the Nigerian intelligence and military. Again, very paradoxically and very ridiculously, they are warning troublemakers in the South, and Southeast. This country is a joke. Let them be serious for once and stop all these jokes. They should be serious and save the country of this shame and disgrace. They are ridiculing Nigeria. It is high time they stop all these jokes and face reality and go for the real troublemakers in the country. The troublemakers are not in the southern Nigeria. They are not the Yorubas or Igbos or Nigeria Delta people who are clearly saying enough of this injustice, enough of the bias and discrimination. Nigeria belongs to all of us, and we have contributed so much to what the country is today. The happiness in this country is the resource that comes from the Niger Delta. Enough of this ridicule. And this comes to the end of the news today. The time is 2:56 p.m. Thank you. The analysis. The President General of the Pan-Niger Delta Forum, PANDEF, has actually called on the GOC 82 Division of the Nigerian Army, Enugu, in person of Major General Taoreed Lagbaja, to actually get him aware of the intimidations by the Nigerian Army on the commuters of the Niger Delta. They complained of the manners of which the Nigerian Army have been harassing the commuters and the people of the society there, the community people, by asking them to come out of their vehicles and raise their hands while cross-checking them at the checkpoint, trying to relate to them that the community people are not terrorists, and the terrorists are those Fulani herdsmen that have been grazing openly and causing confusion in the community. Ken Robinson, the National Publicity Secretary of the PANDEF, which is the Pan-Niger Delta Forum, also talked about the fact that there are many things that have gone wrong in Nigeria, and all they do is to blame the South or the Yorubas, which is not so. That it is ridiculous of recent that a group of people, went to the Nigerian Defense Academy, killed some officers and also kidnapped some, and there has been no apprehension of those people that have done that. And the IPOB, which is the indigenous people of the Biafra, are actually trying to bring some clue out of it that this might be a plot to murder Nnamdi Kanu, which is the leader of the IPOB, and at the same time use that as an excuse that to fabricate a story of it being a plot from some bandits of some Fulani herdsmen, which might be a possible intentional attempt from the federal government of Nigeria. And he actually talked about the Nigerian government taking this very serious and stop all this joke so as to save the country from the shame and ridiculous happening in Nigeria. That enough of this injustice, enough of this discrimination, and the Nigerian government needs to focus more on people that are terrorizing the country, which are most likely the Fulani herdsmen, and not those that are clamoring for peace and justice in the country. And the GOC of the Nigerian Army Enugu 82 Division has actually pledged alliance and support with the President General to look into the complaints of the community. Thank you. The time is 3 p.m.